And cheers. If you find the ice cream truck I just went to, right near Mr. Shocky, if you see him, ask him for a minion popsicle, because they do not have any Jolly Rancher popsicles that look like swords. If you got one of those and they looked like a sword, and if you tried it to slice it, tried it out like a real sword, it's amazing. Besides, Mima has a picture of it, right, Mima? I'm gonna show them the home.
I don't have it handy. Alright, that's it.
Mima, I'm gonna show them the. See, that's what the Jolly Rancher popsicle store kind of looks like. Okay, kinda, and that's cool. So check out the picture. If you know my Mima from the other videos I made, vlogs I made, make sure to comment down below, #Mima, and ask her anything, what you wanted to ask her and tell her. And then when you're done with it, the other part of the comment, past #Mima, hit period, and then click done. And then it'll just come right on to this video, this vlog. And until next time, you know what to do. Stay awesome and share the love. Peace. Stay awesome and share the love. Peace.